Hello, I would like to review the homework you think you have problem with the system result. Okay, let's see. This is your homework 9, question 16. Okay, you answer 67.14. You answered 67.18. The right answer is 67.14 plus or minus 0.02. Actually, the system have a kind of like flexibility with the answers, and the other one the same, very close but not the same. So I can show you how to do manually. I got exactly the same answer with as the system answer 67.14. So what do you do? This one, the formula is x bar plus or minus t alpha of 2 times s over square root of n. So here x bar is 69 plus or minus t alpha of 2 times s is given. S is standard deviation 7. Square root of n is square root of 40. So now here the degree of freedom is we need to find out t alpha of 2. This is the only thing I need to find. So the degree t alpha of 2, you can use the online calculator for t-score calculator. So you can do t value calculator. Okay, so for t value calculator, you can do, this is the degree of freedom. Since we have 40 samples here, so the degree of freedom will be 39 and minus 1. So the degree of freedom is 39. And the possibility, alpha equals 1 minus alpha percentage, which equals 90%. So it will type in the level equals alpha equals 1 minus 90% will be what, 0.01. So it's going to be 10%, so it's 0.1. Then calculate. Then you would have the t value, t alpha of 2. Since this is the two-tail, this is the two-tail test, then we have the t value. So t, from here we can tell the t value is t equals 1.6848. I will not round it too early as to 1.68. I would contain at least 4 decimals. Then plug into this one. So you got 69 plus or minus 1.6848 times 7 over square root of 40. So then you use a calculator. So it's 1.6848 multiplied by 7 equals divided by 40 square root. 1.6848 times 7 equals divided by 40 square root equals 1.846. So then you plus or minus 68, so plus 69 equals, so I got 70.86. This is the right hand side limit. Left limit, you can minus 69 back to where it is, and then subtract by 69 equals, so it's positive actually, so it's 67.14 if you round it up. So let's say the right answer of the system. The right answer of the system is 16.14. Right answer is 70.86, 70.86, and you answer 70.82, and you answer 67.18. It's a little bit away from the right answer. Actually, it gives you 0.02 flexibility to accept your answer. However, there's an easy way to do it, to verify your answer at least. You can, I'm not sure if you watched my video or not. So you can go StatCrunch. You open a StatCrunch. Let's see if it's open or not. should be able to open a StatCrunch here. Let me see. So okay, so I think it's blocked it. So down. So you have to do always allow this pops up. So do StatCrunch. Okay. So what we can do with the software, it helps you to verify your answer. Instead of using, once you finish with your manually handwriting manual answer, you can use a StatCrunch to verify your answer. It will be much easier. I can show you how to use the StatCrunch for all of this homework. Actually, I did in the videos. So this one, you can stat. It's a T-stats and one sample. And with the summary, and you just type in all these data. You type in so the first one is going to be sample mean is 69, standard deviation 7, sample size 40, and confidence interval 90%, and then compute. You got the answer immediately, and it's right. 60, and you got the answer is going to be 67.14 and 70.86. So just 5 seconds of doing this, and you can use that verify with your answers. Okay. So I'll show you several others. See if you can do the rest of them. Okay, not this one. It's just a. Oh, for example, 11, question 11. So you can add it. You got this one. A pole contacting is rated at X bar XS. So it's the same idea. You would just type in the value. Sample mean is 12.6. Standard deviation is 16.6. Sample size is 1003, and the confidence interval, so is a 95% chance. Sorry, 95% confidence interval. And compute. You will get 11.17, and you will get 13.63. You run 2 decimals, and your answer should be close. Well, it's 11.74. So now you can see you can use the software to verify your answer very quickly. All right. I hope this one helps you. I don't know if you watched my previous videos or not. I've introduced how to do all of the problems with the StatCrunch, which is, I don't have any students complain that system is inconsistent. The system answer is wrong. I don't have any complaint so far. I've taught this class several times. Okay. So if you need any other help, please just feel free to let me know and email me. Thank you very much.